Welcome to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions partners here at Fixate Media. Today we're going to be talking about how we link widgets within the Duda platform. To begin with, make sure that you're logged into your site and then make sure you're in edit mode. While you can link many of the widgets in the Duda platform, for today's demonstration I've prepared 4 as examples. We're going to begin with an image. Double-clicking on the image opens up the image widget, and scrolling down just a little bit, you can see the link image option. Selecting that option will then provide all of the various options of where you can link the image in your Duda website. The first option, of course, is linking directly to a page. The next option will allow you to link directly to a URL off of your website, and in most cases you'd be well served to open that in a new window. There are also 3 additional choices related to SEO. We can link to a pop-up. We can link to anchor links, which are sections up and down pages. We can link directly to email addresses, to a phone number, and finally to files for download, with the file size limitation being 50 megabytes per file. Next up we have the button widget. Double-clicking the button widget will open the widget. And on the content side again, scrolling down slightly, you can see select where the button links to, and you're going to be offered all of those same choices. Moving into the text widget. To link text, you would highlight the words you wish to link. You would then select the chain link icon. Again, you'll be presented with all of the various options of where you can link the words. Finally, I have an icon widget as well. Double-clicking the icon widget, scrolling down just slightly, and here are your link options for the icon widget. So again, you can link many different widgets in the Duda platform, and in almost every scenario, the process will be similar to what I just demonstrated. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fixate Duda experts.